Historically, I've taught several undergraduate courses. I've taught everything from undergraduate abnormal psychology, Psych 120, which is a gateway course for a lot of students. I've taught the psychology of adjustment, which is a 200-level course talking about sort of the normal version of abnormal, if you will, adjustment and well-being. Currently, in my curriculum, I'm teaching undergraduate abnormal psychology, Psych 350, which talks about diagnosing and understanding abnormal behavior among a wide variety of populations. And I'm also teaching Psych 438, which is the introduction to clinical psychology, which tends to be a little bit more focused on what do you do once you've gotten a diagnosis? What is it that clinical psychologists do, particularly with people who might be experiencing distress or difficulty or dysfunction in their everyday lives?
Therapeutically that we have to deal with in that regard.
I like it when the light bulb goes on, when people can see what's possible, understand why they think, why professionals think what they do, what the best ways of doing things might potentially be, and also where the gaps are. One of the interesting things about teaching also is that it forces one to refine one's perspective. Why do I think the things that I do? Why do I expect my colleagues to do certain kinds of things? Teaching is one of those fundamental aspects of the activities that we do as professors, that I do as a professor, that helps me see the connection, everything from every step along the way, including from people who are in distress to training people to think about distress more systematically, to understanding this in a way that we can share with other professionals through research, publication, presentation, to training the next generation of people who are going to provide resources in terms of the delivery of psychological science and its systematic description in research for other generations to come. So it gives me a nice way to see everything that will be coming from the fruits of our labor.